Here we have a Range Rover SVR. As you can see, you have 22-inch alloys, 5 split spoke with a gloss black finish. You also have red brake calipers, a black contrasting roof along with privacy glass, the SVR badging on the back, and this car is also keyless. Going inside the vehicle, you have illuminated aluminium tread plates, extended leather upgrade interior, a sliding panoramic roof which lets in a lot more light and can be controlled here, a cooler compartment which is ideal if you're going on long journeys and need to keep drinks or food cold, you also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting, with several different colours to choose from, which looks quite cool, especially at night. You also have a rear view camera, which is ideal for parking and reversing as it makes it a lot easier. Sat nav and other functions which can be controlled using the buttons on the wheel. You also have cruise control with stop and go, along with a heated steering wheel and heated front and rear seats, which is perfect just as we enter winter. These seats are also memory, which is handy if there's several people driving the car, and you have a Meridian sound system. This car only has 19,876 miles on the clock. It also has lane departure warning and blind spot assist, which is handy when driving along motorways. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the Range Rover SVR. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.